Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule meeting on Google Meet. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Meet app, and after this, in here you can click on the new meeting. Click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the schedule in a Google Calendars. And after this, in here you can add a title, maybe a meeting with a teacher. Okay, and after this, in here you can set the date. Maybe I wanna try to schedule for this day, so you just click on the day, and after this you can click on the OK at the bottom. Now you can set the time. In here I gonna set for 10 EM. Okay, and now you can click on the OK, and after this you can add schedule or anything else, and now you can save at the top and finish. So that how to schedule meeting with Google Meets. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.